First, take out of all items from the package. Package includes manual, monitor, windshield bracket, solar backup camera, antenna, Type-C power cord, cigarette lighter adapter. Take out the camera. The angle of the camera can be adjusted flexibly. There is a magnet on the back of the camera, which can be easily attached to the vehicle. Pick out the accessories bag. The power cord is an optional installation method, not included in the package. Please contact us if you need it. Pick out the bracket. Loosen the screws. The bracket can be adjusted flexibly. After adjusting the angle, tighten the screw. Align the bracket with the hole on the back of the monitor and snap it in. Mount one of the antennas on the monitor. Put it on the dashboard or windshield and pull off the buckle. Pick out the cigarette lighter adapter. Connect the cigarette lighter adapter to the monitor. Insert the cigarette lighter into the cigarette lighter outlet. Press the red button. The red button lights up. The monitor lights up and the screen shows black. Install another antenna to the camera. The camera is turned off by default. Pull up the rubber on the side. There is a power button and Type-C interface inside. Press the power button to start the camera. The blue status light is on. The image appears on the screen. There are 5 keys on the right side of the monitor. Each key's function corresponds to the text displayed on the monitor. Press any key to enter the main menu interface. Press the key corresponding to CM2 to switch the camera channel. Press the key corresponding to Rec Set to enter the setting interface. Press the key corresponding to Time Set to set system time. Press the key corresponding to AED or DEC to adjust the year. Press the key corresponding to year to switch to the month, day, hour, minute, second. Press return to save the settings. Press Cam Recode to enter can set CM1, CM2 record function on/off respectively. Press the Cam Recode to turn on/off the camera recording function. Press return to save. Press SD card. You can choose to format the SD card. Press format to confirm to format the SD card. Press cancel to cancel formatting the SD card. Press return to return the main menu interface. Press playback. You can delete lock play video files. Press CM1 files to enter the CM1 video playback list interface. Press down up to select different video files. Press the playback to settings. Press lock to lock currently selected video. Lock can lock the video file you want. Even if you format it, it will not be deleted unless you unlock it. Press lock again to unlock the currently selected locked video. Press play to watch the selected video. Press delete can delete currently selected video. After adjustment, press return exit to save the setting. You can adjust the function of camera set, and then press return exit to save the settings. Press any key to enter the main menu interface. Press camera set to enter the camera set interface. Press the AED or DEC to adjust the brightness. Press the bright to switch to the color. Press the AED or DEC to adjust the color mode. The image can be switched from color to black and white when you adjust the color value too low. Press the color to switch to the contrast. Press the AED or DEC to adjust the contrast. Press the contrast to switch to the LRUD. Press the AED or DEC to select the mode you need. Press the LRUD to switch to the Park LRUD. Press the AED to adjust the width of the guideline. Press the DEC to adjust the height of the guideline. Press the Park LRUD to switch to the Park Middle. Press the AED or DEC to move the guideline right or left. Press the Park Middle to switch to the Sleep. Press AED and DEC to select the working time of the screen. There are 90S, 60S, 45S, 30S OFF. Press the Sleep to switch to the bright interface. Press the Park to turn on or off the guideline. After adjustment, press return exit to save the setting. You can adjust the function of camera set, and then press return exit to save the settings. Press any key to enter the main menu interface. Press camera set to enter the camera set interface. Press the corresponding button to the right of bright to switch to pair. Press the AED to enter the pairing mode. If the camera is not turned on, press the power button of the camera to activate the camera firstly. Then quickly press the camera power button 3 times. See the camera blue light flashing state will enter the pairing mode. The image appears on the monitor, indicating that the pairing is successful. The camera's status light is blue and does not blink.